Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. At this point, I'm sure we all cannot wait for 2025 to end because yo kuningi guys, a lot happened this year, especially this December. We have been losing people almost every day through accidents, and it's not nice to witness. It's really not nice. We have yet again tragically lost 7 people in a head-on collision on the N4 toll road in Mpumalanga. Out of all the 7 people, only one survived with severe injuries, and the person was rushed to the hospital to receive medical attention. Authorities are still investigating this case because it has been said that the accident was caused by a reckless driving, guys. At this point, I'm just like, what's going on? Why can't you just drive nicely and follow the rules? Because you have caused 7 lives, which is really not nice. We all have to try to follow the road rules to avoid these unnecessary accidents, because I don't even know how many accidents happened just in December. In this festive season, a lot has been happening, guys, but I know we can also try to avoid that, to avoid more accidents by following the road rules and not driving under any influence. Mpumalanga MEC for Community Safety also indicated that early findings suggest a reckless overtaking and high speed may have contributed to this crash. He warned that traveling at night poses added risk due to reduced visibility. Even though this might be the cause of this accident, I just feel like it is our own responsibility to make sure that we follow the rules and avoid these accidents, because guys, so many people have lost their lives in such a very horrible way, and it's not pleasant, man, to witness all these things happening.